Okay, so two companies today, two mining companies that I want to look at. Okay, I'm going to go through and show you exactly what I look at each day. Okay, but only focusing on these two because I believe they're in sell territory. Now, I don't sell very often, okay, but when I do, it's because I think it's the profit margin is just too high for these companies that I've got, and I want to take some off the table and then put it into my bag ready to deploy when something is down. Okay, so what we're looking at today is Liontown Resources. Now, I did a video on this a couple weeks ago and they dropped something like 15% or 18% or something, and I said to everybody I'm going to put an extra $300 in to that account because it went down so far and I really liked that company. Now, I've just looked today, it's up 7%, but if I go to the monthly chart, Liontown's actually up 34%. So that money I put in, I've done really well on that. And I'm looking at this here. We are at the top of the 52-week range, right there at $1.60. Okay, so we'll go over to where I have that. I have that in my CMC, and Liontown is here. There's Liontown. So my buy-in at that is 70 cents. Okay, and I have, there you can see I have $3,480 in it. And we're at 123% profit. Now, I think that is sufficient profit to take some. I'm gonna actually sell some of that. So what do we got? We got 2,200 shares there. And just for kicks and giggles, we'll go up to Wall Street Journal here and have a look. Where are we? We're in Sherry's, no, we're in CMC. Here we go. So we're looking for Liontown. Oh, here we go. Now, Liontown, as of today, it's saying it is actually 87% overvalued. So that's pretty much, it's saying that it's double the price of what it should be. So that's another reassurance for me to now go into my account here, Liontown, and we're going to sell. We've got 2,200. We want to leave a little in the bag, so let's sell 1,500 units. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Just so you can see that I do put my money where my mouth is. Quantity, there we go. We're going to sell 1,500 of those at market price. So I'm happy to take the market price right now. There we go. It'll give me $2,329 return. Here's my pin. And we did sell, yep. 1,500, yep. Order placed, there we go. So that it might take a couple seconds, it might just go automatically. So, well, you can see up here I've got $32,000 in holdings. I've got 574 in cash at the moment. We'll just do a refresh there, and I'll let it think a sec. Okay, it's having a big thing, and it sold straight away. There you go. So now I've got nearly $3,000 cash ready for when something goes down. All right, and the other stock I was looking at was in Sherry's. Here we go. It's called Lithium, another mining company in Australia. We go to the monthly chart and look at this, going up 112% in 1 month. So once again, look at this. We're at 26 cents right at the top, okay? Now we go over to my share. I have this in Sherry's. Here it is here. This is where I bought. Look, this little dot. And I paid 10 cents for it. It's now 26 cents, okay? Now, I've been waiting for this company to go up because it was a bit of a gamble for me. I didn't put much in it. I think I've only got about $1,000 in this. So we're going to see what exactly I do have. That does not tell me. Hang on. Okay, so I've got $1,400 in there at the moment. So I'm going to take a big chunk of that because, hang on, we'll go up here to Simply Wall Street again, and we'll check what it has to say. This is so simple. Where are we? Sherry's there. And see up the top, it tells me my undervalued stocks. So it's saying that we should really be buying into Netflix right now because it's nearly 100% undervalued. That's big time. But anyway, we're going to go and find this one. There's IonQ there. That's gone down a bit. I'll do another video on those because they are big money makers for me at the moment. Core Lithium. Look, it's right down the bottom again. Wow, I picked this well. 135% overvalued. So it's saying it's more than double what it should be. And that's just another reassurance for me to then go up to my account here. And we're going to sell. We will sell in shares. And we see I've got 5,562 shares. I'm going to sell 5,000 of those shares. Review, and there you go. It's going to give me $1,281 and sell. That's it. Might take a minute. We'll go to my we'll go to my wallet. Yeah, it's not there yet because I've only got $151. It might take a minute. These guys usually take 20 seconds, or sometimes they can take 20 minutes to actually go through and do something. Just see it is there. You can see there's a sell order on Core Lithium. All right, guys, that was just a quick video showing you that I actually do sell stuff sometimes. Go up and have a look at these videos up here. There's plenty more of this stuff coming where I tell you simply, very simply, how to buy and sell stocks and make some extra money, okay? It's a thing I've been doing for 5 years now, and it's working really well for me. So yeah, go up and check the videos out.